Some people say reality has glitches, and if you're unlucky enough, you might fall through one. That's how people end up in the back rooms, an endless maze of yellow rooms, buzzing lights, wet carpet, and the smell of mold. No windows or exits, just thousands of empty hallways. A cameraman once recorded himself there, walking through the rooms, trying to find a way out. But after a while, he started hearing some noises. Footsteps, not his own. He started running, turning corner after corner, but the rooms never changed. Then the camera caught something behind him, something that had been following him the entire time.